In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows. Cloudflare Warp is a free app that routes your device's traffic through Cloudflare's network to help improve privacy and potentially speed up your connection. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll add helpful context along the way so you know exactly what you're clicking and why. First, open your web browser and go to 1.1.1.1. That's Cloudflare's official site for its consumer apps, including Warp. If you see options for different platforms, you're in the right place. This page is designed to detect your operating system and offer the correct installer, but will explicitly choose Windows to be sure. On the page, select the Windows option. This tells the site to provide the Windows installer for Warp, a small executable file that sets up the app on your computer. Choosing Windows ensures you get the correct version for your device and avoids compatibility issues. Now, wait for the download to begin. Depending on your browser settings, you may see the file appear at the bottom of the window or in your downloads tray. If the download doesn't start right away, give it a moment. A stable internet connection helps here. Also, some browsers might briefly scan the file for safety, which is normal and can add a few seconds. When the download finishes, click the installer file to open it. This will launch the setup wizard for Cloudflare Warp. It's common on Windows to see a brief security prompt when you run installers. That's part of the operating system's protections and is expected when opening new software. You're running the installer you just downloaded from Cloudflare's official site. In the Setup Wizard, click Next. This typically advances you past the welcome screen and any basic introduction to the installer. The defaults provided by the setup are generally the right choice for most users, and they're designed to get Warp running without extra configuration. Then, click Install. The installer will copy the necessary files to your computer and configure Warp. This can take a short moment, and it's best not to close the window or interrupt the process while it's working. Let it complete so everything is set up correctly. That's it. You've successfully gone from the official site to downloading the Windows installer, opening it, proceeding through the setup, and starting the installation. From here, Warp will be available on your system. If you ever need to revisit these steps, just remember, head to 1.1.1.1, choose Windows, download, open the installer, click Next, and click Install. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more private connection with Cloudflare Warp.